back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samke and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make donuts. Okay, so here's what you'll need. You're going to need 3 cups of flour. You're going to need 1 egg. This is half teaspoon of salt. You're going to need melted butter. This is melted butter, about 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to need milk, and then just a bowl of with grease, with oil that we're going to use to grease. Guys, you're going to need this yeast as well, just 10 grams, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, guys. So let's get to it. So to start off, we're going to add our warm milk into this jar, and then our butter, melted butter, guys. And then we take our yeast. This is about 1 1/3 tablespoon of yeast. Okay. So our yeast is in there. We're going to give this a good stir. Yep, that's how it looks. See, guys. So now I'm going to add my 1 egg into this mixture as well. Yeah, and then I will give this a good stir again. So guys, after you're done, you're going to close this up and wait for a few minutes. Yeah, and now I'm going to take my salt, just half teaspoon of salt, and just put it in here. Okay, just give it a good mix. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to close this up, just cover it up, and then wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we start working on our dough. Okay, so yeah, guys, now I'm about to make the dough. So this is what you do. I closed this for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to use this mixture. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. So I'm going to be using my wooden spoon to mix up this whole thing. I need to make a fine, soft dough after this. So now I'm mixing this with a wooden spoon. So when you have something like this now, this is when you take your clean hands, guys, and start kneading your dough into a fine thing. Okay, so put this aside and start working on your dough. So I'm going to remove this mixture from inside here, and then I'll put it on my clean surface and start kneading the dough. You can still do it from the bowl, but I prefer doing it on a clean surface. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing, guys, until I have a nice soft dough that I'm going to place outside or in a warm place so that it rises faster and it's double in size. I'll show you guys later. Okay, so guys, the dough is ready. So I'm going to actually put this in this bowl. Okay, I had greased it with oil. I'm going to take just a little bit of that and just grease on my dough, just right around it so that it doesn't stick on this thing. Okay, so this is what I'll do. We'll just drop it in there See, so this has to double and look like a big round thing after this. Okay, so you put this in a warm place. Depending on how much heat or how warm it is, you'll see how much time it will take. But for me, it's usually 30 minutes or an hour. But yeah, guys, so yep, there we have it. See you guys after an hour. Hi. As you can see, guys, this is after an hour. So my dough has risen. It has doubled in size. Yay. So now what I'm going to do with my clean hands, you see, just remove the air out of the dough and start kneading again like this. See how soft it is. See, it's very soft. See, it needs to be soft. So remove it and start kneading again. So what you're going to do now is to put this back to your warm area until it doubles in size again, guys. So later, guys, see you after about 15 minutes. This time it won't take as long as the first time. Okay, so yay. Guys, this is the second time our dough has doubled. So now it's time for me to remove it from this thingy. So I'm going to just, see, it's a bit sticky, but yeah, it is what it is. So now I'm going to just deflate it like this. See, guys, and it's time to remove. Put it there. Okay, so now I need to start kneading it like this, and just to remove the air, okay? And then I'm going to take a knife. I'm going to take a knife and divide this into, see, one, and then I'll put this aside. So guys, I'm going to do this donuts in two forms. I'm going to do the round ones, then I'm going to do the twisted ones. Yeah, so here I'm doing the twisted donuts. I'll get 4 from this. Okay, so this is what you do. See, guys, so you should make sure that it's smooth before you do everything else. Oops. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to do this. Start rolling. You start rolling and rolling and rolling. See, it's getting longer. So this is what we want. So when it's this long, what you need to do is, see, now I'm going to start doing this, twisting from opposite direction. Okay, this is what you do. You twist in opposite direction, twist in opposite direction, twist. See? So guys, now what you do is to just do this. See? And then pinch at the end here. You need to pinch, pinch, pinch at the end, until it becomes one piece at the end. And then we have our twisted donut dough like this one. Then we put it on a tray. Okay, so that's donut number 1. So now I'm going to make 4 of those, and then here I want to show you guys how I'm going to make the round ones. So basically you just roll this like this. You roll and roll. Don't make it too flat. Okay, so you roll, yeah, until you have something like this. Okay, so what you need is a donut cutter, but if you don't have one, you can use a cup and a smaller lid. Okay, so what you have to do is to create these big circles like this, create another one here, and then another one here, and another one there. See you guys? So now we have 4 of these. You can actually redo this and roll and then make the same thing again. So you take the smaller one and you punch like this, create a hole in the middle. Okay guys, see? 1, another one, 2, 3, and 4. See? So you have your 4 donuts. I'm going to put them on the tray again whilst I'm still working on the other doors, these ones. So guys, I'll show you how the next thing that you're going to do is to make sure that your heat is hitting at low heat. Okay, don't put too much heat, because your donuts are not going to cook on the inside, they're just going to brown on the outside. Okay, so cook them at low heat. So I'll show you guys later. Let me finish this. Yep. So guys, this is what our mini doors, or see, this is how they look like. So now I'm going to be dropping them into the oil. Okay, so here goes nothing. See, at low heat guys. Okay, then let's try this one inside, and then also let's put this one too. Guys, as you can see, this is our donuts. They are cooking at low to medium heat. Yes, you can see that they're expanding and they smell so good guys, I tell you. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys when to turn them over. So yeah, so guys, I'm about to turn this over, and yay, let's do this. See, voila, look at that. Make sure you don't burn them guys. See, let's try those big ones. Yay. Ooh, look at that, look at those. Ooh. Wow guys, donuts are just amazing. Yay. So guys, this is our donuts. I just put them inside a bowl where there is cinnamon and sugar mix. And I'm just going to this.
Girl, me pillar, girl, uhlale nami. Uthando lwami dale, lubanzi lujulile. Ngifisa ukuchitha insuku zokuphila nawe. Ithemba lami dale, liyophelela kuwe. Injabulo yansuku zonke, my sweet darling. Sandwa sami, wosa my love, wosa my love. Bambo lwami, Bosa my love, bosa my love.
I hope that you liked this video and that you will share the link, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that next time I post you guys will see it instantly. So until next time guys, bye.
Esigabe ngisula ngifuna wena phela wena imfudumalo yami yemnyo imizwa yami yakhuluma masibukana ivelithi dalisondela ngithi manga ufika empilweni yami ilanga lisahwalala buka manje sekuyakanya kuyaqhakaza.